Are you ready for exciting new typing jobs in 2023 that can help you make $220 per day? Typing online has never been more profitable, and in this video, we will guide you through the latest opportunities. Whether you're an experienced typist or just getting started, this video is packed with valuable insights. Stay tuned as we explore how you can make $220 a day with these exciting new typing jobs. Let's dive in and start making money online.
Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
The initial step in this journey is to visit a website that offers a typing certification, and the platform of choice is ratatype.com. This is a cost-free typing certification program that provides you with a beautifully designed certificate. This certification not only adds to your credibility, but also enhances your income potential on the platforms we will introduce later. Even if you don't consider yourself a proficient typist, this opportunity is open to anyone, and it's an excellent means to enhance your typing skills. Your Ratatype journey commences with taking an exam, which will ultimately lead your certification. To prepare for this, you can explore their tutorial by clicking on the Start Learning button, providing a chance to become familiar with the exam. The tutorial presents words on your screen, and your task is to simply type them. After completing the exercise, you'll discover your words per minute typing speed. There's also improved typing speed button, which when selected allows you to create a free account and access free typing tutorials. It's a valuable opportunity as it not only provides free tutoring but also grants you a typing certification that boosts your credibility in the world of typing. This certification can be put to use on various websites, as we'll illustrate later in this video. While most websites accept average typists, it can be advantageous to aim for a typing speed of around 70 words per minute, providing you with a competitive edge on platforms we will unveil. If you encounter challenges along the way, you're always welcome to revisit Ratatype's lessons. Once your typing skills are honed, you can take the certification exam on Ratatype at your convenience, from any location. Now that you possess your valuable certification, it's time to introduce you to the first website where you can leverage this credential to swiftly earn money. This website is known as ClickWorker, and you can access it through the link clickworker.com. Upon arrival, navigate to the Earn button in the upper right corner of the website. This page highlights the flexibility of earning money from any location and at any time. Scrolling down, you'll discover the array of benefits that come with being a Click Worker, including the membership in a supportive community, access to cutting-edge technology, and a wide selection of job opportunities such as text creation, surveys, app testing, and many more. Finally, upon completion and approval of your work, you will receive weekly payments. To embark on your money-making journey as a Click Worker, scroll to the top of the page and click the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to provide details such as your gender, title, first name, last name, username, email, and password. After this, click Continue and await their verification email. Following the successful email verification, you can submit your Ratatype typing certificate, marking the commencement of your money-making journey through typing on Click Worker.
Wait a minute, have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video.
The next website we have on our list is called Amazon Mechanical Turk, or mturk for short. You can visit their website by going to mturk.com/worker. Owned by a big company called Amazon, you can make money in your spare time by completing simple tasks. Scrolling down, we will see a list of available work on mTurk. There are many ways to earn money using your typing skills on mTurk. Here are a few examples. Transcription. Transcription involves listening to audio recordings and typing out what is being said. There are many different types of transcription tasks available on mTurk, including medical transcription, legal transcription, and general transcription. Data entry. Data entry involves typing information on spreadsheets or databases. This is a common type of task on mTurk, and there are many different types of data entry tasks available, such as entering customer information, product data, and survey data. Writing. There are also many writing tasks available on mTurk. These tasks can range from writing short product reviews to writing longer articles and blog posts. If you are fluent in multiple languages, you can also earn on mTurk by translating text from one language to another. Other typing tasks. These are also many other typing tasks available on mTurk, such as tagging images, writing captions for videos, and completing surveys. To find tasks on mTurk, simply browse the available tasks and look for tasks that require typing skills. You can also use the search bar to search for specific types of tasks such as transcription or data entry. Once you have found a task that you're not interested in, simply accept it and start working on it. Be sure to read the task's instructions carefully and to follow them exactly. Once you have completed a task, you will submit it to the requester for review. If the requester approves your work, you will be paid. The final website is called freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is a popular freelancing website where freelancers from all over the world can bid on projects and earn money. There are many different types of projects available on freelancer.com, including projects that require typing skills. To earn money using your typing skills on freelancer.com, you will need to create a profile and start bidding on projects. When creating your profile, be sure to highlight your typing skills and experience. You may also want to include a sample of your work and the RataType certification in your portfolio. Once you have created your profile, you can start browsing the available projects. There are many different types of projects available that requires typing skills, including data entry, which involves typing information into spreadsheets or databases, transcription, which involves listening to audio recordings and type out what is being said, writing. This can range from writing short product reviews to writing longer articles and blog posts. Translation. If you're fluent in multiple languages, you can also earn money by translating text from one language to another. This can include tagging images, writing captions for videos, and completing surveys. A typing certification from RataType can help freelancers earn significantly more money on freelancer.com for a few reasons. It demonstrates your typing skills and experience. When clients are looking to hire a freelancer to complete their typing task, they want to be sure that the freelancer has the necessary skills and experience. A typing certification from the RataType.com shows that you have taken the time to earn and develop your typing skills. It can help you to stand out from the competition. Freelancer.com is a competitive marketplace, and there are many different freelancers who offer typing services. A typing certificate from RataType.com can help you to stand out from the competition and show clients that you are a serious freelancer. It can help you to command higher rates. Freelancers who have typing certification can offer command higher rates for their freelancers. Feel free to explore the websites we've introduced and start earning fast and easy cash online, all through typing.
And that's it for today. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads.